Today on CJ Pony Parts, we're going to show you a quick and easy way on how to add another boost reference port to your Focus ST. Aftermarket boost gauges are a common upgrade for the Focus ST, but finding the right boost port can be a bit tricky, so today we're going to make it easier by installing the CPE MAPtap kit. This is CPE's boost reference MAPtap kit, designed to fit your 2013 to 18 Focus ST and your 2014 to 17 Fiesta ST. It's made of high quality CNC machine built aluminum, and it gets installed right under the factory map sensor to give you an extra boost reference port for a boost gauge or another device. It comes with an 1/8 inch and a 1/4 inch barb hose and all the hardware that you need. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Alright, the first part of this install is obviously pop the hood and then remove the engine cover. Locate the map sensor on the Focus ST. It's located right here on front of the intake manifold. Then remove the T30 Torx screw. Remove the screw and then gently remove the sensor. Next, grab your MAPtap and decide if you want to install the 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch barb. We're going to install the 1/8 inch and tighten it down with an 11mm socket. Get it nice and tight, then you can install it onto the intake manifold. Install the MAPtap onto the intake manifold and secure it with the factory screw. Tighten the screw down. Then install your map sensor onto the MAPtap and secure it to the MAPtap with the provided bolt. And tighten it down. You now have a boost reference source where you can hook up the device of your choice, hook it up, and you're done. If you don't hook anything up, you will have a major boost leak and the car will not run right. Okay, we got our CPE MAPtap kit installed in our 2013 Focus ST. This is a great, quick, and easy upgrade if you're looking to install a boost gauge, a boost controller, or even a mechanical blow-off valve. Install was super straightforward, it should only take about 15 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading down the road.